Welcome back to Real Life Wednesday. Today's going to be a little bit different, a different kind of video. I'm dressed up. Unfortunately, I just came back from attending a friend's funeral service. Kathy was 75 and she died suddenly of a heart attack. She was a dear best friend of my sister, but a friend of the whole family's. She had metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure, some extra weight around the middle, pre-diabetes, but her cholesterol was low. And everyone said, but her cholesterol was fine. And yet she's gone of a heart attack because cholesterol alone doesn't tell the whole story. For all of us that knew her, it hit us hard. And it hit me hard not just because I cared about her, but because it reminded me why I started this channel. This isn't just about keto or carnivore or macros. It's about really taking action before it's too late. So many people see the signs, the fatigue, the creeping blood pressure, the expanding waist, and brush them off just as aging. But that's how we lose control of our own health. Not from one bad meal, but from 1,000 tiny moments of inaction. Inaction is a choice. And every day we wait to make change, the harder that change becomes. Now, my mission here, the reason the Primal Professor exists, is to help you take your power back, one small decision at a time. Because small steps lead to massive change over time. Choosing real food over processed, moving your body, saying yes to your health and no to the excuses. Those little decisions will help you rewrite your story. In yesterday's video, I shared how I turned back the clock from a biological age of 60 to 48. And I want you to know you can do it too. But it starts right here, right now. Don't wait for the wake-up call. Start now or start again, because the wrong choice is inaction. This is for you, Kathy. We love you. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.